Going on, guys? Welcome to our final video on becoming a front-end developer in 2022 for the HTML part. This should be the final video. So today we are going to do a whole lot of cool stuffs. We're going to be doing HTML forms, HTML tables, and a whole lot of other things. And today what we are going to be doing today will be a little more tactical than what we have done in the previous videos. So I suggest that you pay your maximum attention to everything that we're going to be doing here today. So with that being said, let's open up our VS Code. Just cleaning up, take up this data. I was using it for something earlier. So what's the first thing we're going to talk about? We're going to talk about HTML tables. So let's open up an HTML boilerplate, hit exclamation point and enter. Then okay, let's come here. First, what are HTML tables? Well, HTML tables are just basic HTML tags or elements that are used to create a table in a website. To write an HTML table, first you need to define something called a table. You write a table, hit enter, and here you have this instance of a table, an HTML table tag written up for you. So in a table there are a whole lot of things. We have what is called a table row, which is denoted as TR. So when I type TR and enter, you can see we have something like this here. And in a TR there are TH. A TH means a table head. This defines the head of the table, like what's the table, a particular head or a portion of the table that tells the data in that particular table's row. So for example, now in here I can write a TH for table head, and I will say something like, let's say H, come here, define another TH which is a table head again. I write something like name, I have another one and another TH, and say country, which defines one's country. So as you can see, what we have here now is a table row. It's a table row, and in this table row we have three main heads here, three main table heads here, which is age, name, and the country. So after that, if I come down here, now we need to define the data of this TH, which are the table head, which is the age, the name, and the country. So the age, the name, and the country should have their own personal data, like the age should tell of what age is the person, the name should be of what name is the person, and the country of the person also. So we can there write another TR. Please, I need you to watch the format in which this thing is written. TR again, and here we can write TD, which stands for table data, and for the age we write let's say 17, sorry, not 176. Then the next one, another TD. For the name, I write my name is Newton. And the next one should be for the country, which should be Nigeria. So we have this now. Now if you look closely, HTML helps us to format this data, meaning each section, depending on how we have defined the head of each table, this table data will be displayed and pushed to it. Like if we add country first, at the top here, then for the table data, the first thing that we should have here should be the name of the country. So let's save that, and let me fire up. Let me go live and show you what we have done. And there you see we have age 17, name Newton, and country of Nigeria. So let's go back to VS Code. Let me show you guys something. For each data that we have here, HTML has a way of creating a margin for each of these table heads and their data. So to display that, I want us to do something. At the first table row, I want you to write something like BG color. BG color. This is just to demonstrate something. BG color. Let's set that to red. Then you come to this other tr at the opening tag, write another bg color, and let's set that to orange. Now save that up. Okay, I think I have a problem here. Let's say green. I think I have a problem with my, oh sorry, it's bg color, not bg color. I'll save that. And yeah, so here you can see that the VS Code has, sorry, the HTML has helped us to format this in a way that each of the data that we have has a margin, a different margin setting it apart. So yeah, we can add more data to this, and to do that, let's say we need something like let's say surname. So let's do a table head. You can write surname, then you come here and tell the surname table data, open that up. I'm not going to tell you my surname, just put this one here, Isaac. So when you save that, see, get displayed immediately, and we have another table data for surname. But this is smaller. When we get to CSS, we'll learn how to make all this much more bigger. Let's see if we can try that here actually. See if we can define the width. Let's do it for the table. Main table, come here. I'm not sure this is going to work. I'm just going to try it out to see. Width. Let's see, 200 pixels. Yeah, as expected. After that, let's try it here. Let me just copy this and paste it right there. Well, as you can see, we can't actually style this here. So don't worry, when we are done with this course, we are going to go straight to CSS, and I will show you how to style your web page using CSS. So with that being said, I think we are through with HTML tables. So the next thing I want us to talk about is HTML forms. Now, first to write a form, you need to define it. Write something like a form. Clean up this action. It is used for backend development, and you haven't. We're planning on doing lessons on backend development, and when we are doing that, we explain more on how to save data in our servers and all that. So in here, in the form, let me make that a whole lot bigger. The first thing we're going to define is called a label. And in this label, I can write for name to define that, to tell you that we're writing it for a name. And in here, I can say enter your name. Enter your name like that. Then after that, we need an input. Now let me tell you, the difference between these two is that the label tells our input field what we are writing it for. Like this particular data you are writing, this is the label. The label is for the label is telling the user that this particular input is for your name. Please write your name here. But in here, there's something cool that we can also do. No, let me first of all save this and show you something. And yeah, you can see we have a label, enter your name, and in here you can just write your name. Sorry, I can't spell my name right. Yeah, that's it. Well, let me show you something much more cooler. In this input feed, you can write something like a placeholder, which actually displays a kind of faint data in your input field. Now I can write something like enter your name. Let me save that. Make that up. And here now you can see we have a placeholder inside our input telling it enter your name. So after that, we can just create a break. I just write break br for break, so that the next input data we are displaying will be on a fresh line. That's essentially the work of a break. You can copy that, come down, paste it, paste this other one, then we can edit it. Here we correct for age, enter your age, placeholder of enter your age, can be country, enter your country name, placeholder of enter your country, save that, go back to our browser, and here you see we have this for name. You can enter your name. When you write something here, you can see that placeholder, this thing data gets just disappears. Your age, you can write 17, country, you can write any preferred country of your choice. And yeah, that's it. So the last thing in every form data is also defining the button. So I can come to this place and write something like button. In the button I can write submit, save that. There you can see we now have the submit action for this, and anytime we press this submit button, it loads our web browser. So let me show you that again. Newton, age of 17, country of Nigeria, press the submit button, and yeah, you can see the whole thing get reloaded and the data that we have, it just disappears. So yeah, that's all we have for HTML forms. So next thing we are going to be talking about is HTML footer. And you see, if you visit any website on the web, when you scroll down to the bottom, you always see a footer which says follow us at, copyright symbol, and a whole lot of other information there. So now I'm going to show you how to do a footer. So first, before we do anything, let's write a P for P tag, which is a paragraph tag. And to write the copyright symbol, we'll press the and that looks like and you write copy. Then after that, add some colons, and let's save that and check if we did it right. Let's go out of that last part, open it again, and voila, you see here we have a copyright symbol, the C symbol. Let's go back to VS Code. After that, you can just write something like a date 2024, my website, add a full stop and say alright, reserved. Let's save that. Yeah, you can see now we have something like this, very beautiful. So lastly, after the paragraph tag, let's create another one. P, enter. So here we can write something like follow us. Sorry, let me write follow correctly. Follow us on this platforms. Follow us on these platforms. Let's break out of that. Yes, it's an E tag. Let's go for the normal. Okay, let's go for this one. So in here we're going to write HTTPS, which is used to see that we're about to request for an external link. Okay, type this symbol, hit double slashes. No problem if I do this on my watch keyboard. Yes, and you can write facebook.com. So let's just copy this and read it some more times. Copy, come down, paste again. I'm missing something. Okay, let me fix that. What's going on? So do it for the last one. Okay, so now let's edit this. First one is Facebook. Then after open the closing tag where you write your data, you can write something like Facebook inside. Then after that, we should change this to, I don't know if Twitter is still using the name Twitter, but let's see, Twitter. Then here we can write something like Twitter. What should be here? Maybe YouTube. Try YouTube. Sorry, you must spell that correctly. In here, write YouTube. So let's save that and check VS Code and see. Yeah, we have Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So let's try for Facebook first. Oh, sorry. Let me turn on my mobile connection. Using Bluetooth to connect data. So let's try that again. Server not found. Connection is very poor. Let's go back. Make sure it's still poor. What's going on? Okay, now it's loading up. Hope it works. You can see at an instance, if you have good network, it should fire up any link you click. It should open it up for you. So yeah, I used to be still loading. Well, let's check for other. Okay, let's try Facebook. You can see my personal Facebook page is about to open up, and yeah, there you have it. Shouldn't we show you this? Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go to VS Code. You see, anytime we try to open a link, it opens that particular page on our website. Like it's supposed to open a separate tab for each link. So now to fix that, we can write something like target. Okay, you can see target here. Then after that, you add a dash. Write something like blank, meaning open this on a separate tab. Sorry. So let's copy that. Get it here. Get it here. Hopefully, when we save that, not saving. Let's go back to VS Code and first, let's go out of our server, open it up again. So now hopefully if we click this, we should open up in a different tab, and here you can see we have something like new tab here, and here is our real HTML form, or sorry, the link or the page that we did that action from. Also check on YouTube, on Twitter, sorry. My network is bad. Okay, yeah, they are still using the name Twitter. Wow. So they should be www.x now. So yeah, that's all we have for this video. With this, we are done with everything we need to know basically about HTML, the basic knowledge of HTML. So after this video, we'll be making a new series on CSS, and the videos will also be dropped in this YouTube series. So this particular video marks the end of HTML, and the new ones we will be having will be all about CSS, and after that we'll design our first website together. So thanks, see you up in the next lecture.